Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming ownership and signing into both platforms. Once signed in, open YouTube Studio and go straight to Settings, then Channel, then Advanced Settings. This is where the connection process begins. Make sure your Facebook account is active on the same device or browser so authentication is smooth. You do not need to change profile pictures. You do need to grant permission when prompted. If you use two-factor authentication, have your phone ready so the link can be authorized without delays. Once done with initial settings, choose the option to add or connect a social account and pick Facebook. You will see a Facebook login and permission prompt. Enter your credentials and allow the requested permissions so YouTube can post or show links. Make sure you select whether the link points to your Facebook profile or a page. After authorization, set where the link appears about section or default video end screens, because placement affects visibility and click rates. Finish by saving all changes and then publishing a quick test update or editing your About box to confirm the Facebook link is visible. If the link doesn't show, make sure you gave the right permissions in Facebook settings and that you authorized the correct profile or page. Sometimes you must unlink and relink. When OAuth hangs, try clearing your browser cache, using an incognito window, or switching devices. One key troubleshooting tip: log out of both the...
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.